together. How embarrassing. Put your fucking phone down, you dickhead.
Pornable.
Dear ladies and gentlemen, we know our passengers require assistance to come forward now for boarding. Thank you and enjoy your trip flight.
Please now place your hand luggage underneath the seats in front of you. Larger items can go into the overhead compartments. If there is no space, our pilots will say hello and give you more information about today's flight shortly. In the meantime, can we ask you that you please look over the safety briefing card in the seat boxes in front of you to familiarise yourself with our onboard safety procedures. Thank you and welcome. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back on board your TUI flight to London Gatwick. We have a flight time this evening of 3 hours and 45 minutes. I'm pleased to say we're now ready for departure. Whilst you're getting comfortable and ready for the flight, we do have a few important safety points to let you know about. Smoking is not allowed on board at any time. This includes the use of electronic cigarettes, vaporizers, or those nicotine products that resemble cigarettes. Any such devices that contain batteries must be protected by being carried in their cases where a case is available. Alternatively, we ask you to ensure these devices are protected to avoid them being activated or damaged in flight. Recharging of these devices or their batteries is not permitted on board. For everyone's safety,
Charging electronic devices on board is forbidden.
Charging electronic devices on board is forbidden. Charging electronic devices on board is forbidden.
there are smoke detectors in all of the lavatories.
And electronic devices which are charging must be monitored at all times.
Electronic devices must be monitored when they are in use. This includes when they're being charged by power banks. And the use of Bluetooth devices is not allowed during taxi, takeoff and landing. If any of your electronic devices become hot, become damaged, release smoke or lost into the seat, then please inform a member of cabin crew immediately and do not attempt to move the seat. We know that everyone loves making holiday memories, but taking photographs or videos of our crew or other passengers is strictly prohibited without their permission. Thank you again and welcome on board. Good evening everybody, my name's Simon Sinclair and I'd like to welcome you on board this TUI Airways flight back to London Gatwick. Apologies initially for the delay, two reasons for it. The aircraft was delayed on its previous flight this morning, but the main reason for this enormous delay was a complete lack of baggage handlers at Gatwick Airport, so we waited well over an hour. Bruh.
Oh my God!
Come out and bags from the aeroplane. We're going to get going as soon as we can. The good news is it's a relatively quick flight back to Gatwick. We're back in the UK really quite nice. This flight is going on to be around the second demonstration on this Boeing 737. I know also it's on your way out here to Turkey, but it really does contain some vitally important information concerning safety aboard from board, so it's crucial that you do please give it a couple of minutes of your attention. Once we're established up at our cruising altitude, we'll get back to you with an update on the arrival and the Gatwick weather, but in the meantime, hope you enjoy the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to take this opportunity to add my welcome to that of the captain. My name is Sabrina, it's my pleasure to be a cabin manager on today's flight to London Gatwick. On the team today, we have Todd, Francesca and Millie, and together we're very much looking forward to be of service to you. We'd like to take you through the features of the aircraft and ask you to please watch our safety demonstration very carefully, even though the RV flight of each is different. If you are listening to mobile device, please take headset now. If you are reading, please pause for a few minutes to convert to full attention. Thank you.
The red emergency exit signs are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Your nearest exit, which may be behind you, is being pointed out now by the cabin crew. To help you find these exits, low-level lighting will tell you. Please study the exit operation on the safety booking card also. Before we make a final check of the cabin shortly, please now ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened. Your seat back should be in the upright position, tray tables folded away, and window blinds open. Please place your armrest down, ready for takeoff. Thank you for listening and enjoy your flight.
During the hours of darkness, it is routine procedure to dim the cabin lighting for takeoff and for landing. This will be done in a few moments. May remind passengers wishing to read that individual reading lights can be located in the panel overhead. Thank you. devices like laptops must once again be switched off and placed in your hand luggage. Please put your hand luggage either under the seat in front of you or back in the overhead compartment. As a reminder, if you are seated in rows 1, ABC, 2DS, rows 15 and rows 16, all bags and loose items must now go back into the overhead compartment. If instructed to leave the airplane quickly, leave everything behind. Make sure that your seatbelts are now securely fastened and visible to the cabin crew. Your seats are returned to the upright position, tray tables folded away, window blinds open, and armrests down. The use of Bluetooth devices is not allowed during landing. And please take the time to look over the safety information on the safety card before landing. Thank you.
Lord.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very warm welcome back to London Gatwick, where the local time is 4:15 in the morning. For your safety, do please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop, the cabin lighting has been turned up and the seatbelt sign and tap and switched off. Now that we have left the runway, you can use your handheld electronic devices. Before leaving us today, do please check your seat pocket, under the seat in front and in the overhead compartments carefully for any items that may otherwise be left behind. We do often find items like iPads, passports, mobile phones, tablets, so it's very important that you have a last look before you leave the aircraft. Any items that we do find will be handed over to agency at Gatwick. Please take care when opening the overhead compartments to ensure that nothing falls out that may have moved in flight. If you were given additional seatbelt or life jacket, please leave these on the aisle seat as you leave the aeroplane. If you've requested assistance, do please remain seated until all other passengers have disembarked the aircraft, and then we'll be able to assist you further. Please have your passports ready for inspection by immigration authorities. Smoking is not allowed, including vapes, electronic and nicotine resembling cigarettes. Once the airplane has stopped, the cabin crew will need to take a couple of minutes to focus on carrying out their safety duties. On behalf of everyone at TUI and your crew on board, we do hope you've enjoyed your flight back home with us. Have a safe journey home. Thank you for flying with TUI Airways, and we do hope to be of service to you again in the not too distant future. And a very good morning to you all.
Captain, thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, sorry, somebody misunderstood here. We are parked at the South Terminal, but the buses will be taking you to the North Terminal. I don't know why they've parked us here, but there are buses arranged. So once again, if you could ask you to just go to the top of the air bridge, down the steps, and there will be buses waiting to take you over to the North Terminal. And once again, our sincere apologies for this. It shouldn't take you too long, and at least it means you don't have to walk very far. Thank you very much, and may we wish you a safe journey home.
Right, what else we got? Hello? Gucky. Right, that one's good to go.